Well, mail, right? Mail call. I haven't did a mail call ever with the glass house, but I think this mail call should be a good mail call. Reason why I say it's a good mail call is because I was looking for the rubbers that go around the vinyl top trim for the 1976 Caprice. About 4 or 5 years ago, I bought some with my first glass house that I was attempting to build, and painter gel and all that and whatnot. Ended up buying one. Ended up buying a Bondo bucket. Tore the Bondo bucket down. The Bondo bucket had an opera window, you know what I mean? This little opera window, so I had that. I didn't like the opera window no more. I think the distaste from the previous owner was just upsetting me, you know what I mean? So I was like, man, I'm doing this car over and I don't want to look nothing like the car that this dude previously built that sold me this Bondo bucket, right? So I put the original window back. But I had bought this vinyl, like the pieces for it, the trim, the rubber piece, the L's, everything, the corners, all that came. I got it from Marcelo Alicorn, right? For those that don't know, that's Marcelo Alicorn on Facebook. On Instagram, it's Toledo75. Good dude. Sold it to me. So I ended up selling the set because I thought I was going to keep the opera window. And I didn't. I should have kept it, man. I should have kept it. I sold it. You know, I sold a unicorn. You know what I mean? Shit like that you just don't find. So, seen some trim. Mike Alameda on Facebook, on Instagram, it's Impala Mike. Said he had the trim. Boom, bought the trim from him. Good condition, you know, nice, pristine, good pieces. Shout out to both of those guys, because they sell good parts, man. If y'all ever need parts, y'all go to them, man. Hit them up on their Instagram or Facebook. So, get the pieces. They nice. So now I'm like, dang, I don't want to run the trim without the rubbers. So now I'm trying to find the rubbers. Can't find the rubbers. Dong Park USA, he say he ain't had them in a good while. So I'm like, damn. And asking. So, you know, I hit Mike up. It's like, you got something? He said, man, I don't know. I think so. Boom. So I'm posting everywhere. And lo behold, I get a call back from Mike. Right? Impala Mike. Not Glasshouse Mike. Impala Mike. And, boom. Oh, let me back up. I called Cadillac Connect, which is Glasshouse Connect. Glasshouse Connect is the dad, Cadillac Connect is the son. Called him, you know, and I ain't gonna lie, man. You know, I doubt I ever even buy some pieces. I'm gonna just delete the dude number out of my phone. You know, I'm never gonna do business with, you know, Cadillac Connect, Glasshouse Connect. This may be burning bridges, but at this point, I really don't give a fuck because the dude, for one, Glasshouse Connect burned me. Nigga burned me. So the son took over Cadillac Connect. Every time you call him, it's like his prices are just overpriced. The shit is just too fucking high. So this piece, I'm asking, do you got the rubbers? He like, yeah, I got a set. So I'm like, all right. He told me 800, right? So I'm thinking it's the whole complete set. So I'm like, damn. So I'm like trying to bargain with him. And he like, no, I need 800. So I'm like, well, you know, it's just the rubbers. Do it come with the L's at least? You know, it's like the L's are little plastic pieces. I'll show y'all. So the L's are, Mike even threw in some clips that I asked about a month or two ago. And gave it to me on the house, man. So these L's, I'm gonna show y'all these L's. Like, these is very important to the glass house, is the L's. When you're running this vinyl, you want to use the rubbers. You know, you gotta be delicate with those because they kind of brittle. But these L's right here, see, they're not plastic, they metal, but you need these in order to connect the rubbers, right? Boom. So I asked him, hey bro, do they come with the L's? He like, nah, I ain't got that. So I'm like, well, what come with the 800? With the 800, he was just gonna sell me the top piece, the piece that go over the roof. That was it for $800. Like, can you believe that? $800? Cadillac Connect, $800. Like, damn, $800 for just this. Not these, $800 just for the top piece. Like, that ain't cool, bro. Like, how you gonna be a part of the car community, the car culture? You know what I'm saying? And you just like fucking hella price gouging. I understand the glass house parts is not cheap. I understand that, you know, because I know you could go to Target and buy a fucking grill for $6,400, but you can't go to Target and get a grill for $76 glass house. You know what I mean? But $800 just for the top piece, like, bro, you out your fucking mind. You know what I mean? And a few other people say they went to Glass House Connect and he just like high as fuck. But it's like, well, who else you gonna go to? Who else you could go to? You could go to Impala Mike and you can go to Chiletto. You know what I mean? 7'5". You know, Chiletto 7'5" on Instagram, Marcelo Alicorn on Facebook, and Mike Alameda on Facebook, and Impala Mike on Instagram. You go to them, man, they sell quality parts for good prices. Like, you know what I mean? It's like you charging these high ass prices for just like for what, bro? That's some crazy shit, bro. I understand, like, you're the only person, you corner the market, whatever, but goddamn, $800 just for this? Shout out to Impala Mike for selling me the whole hookup, man. Got the whole hookup. Hold up, let me show you the stainless. Show me the stainless too. You know what I mean? I did pay. I paid pretty nickel for it, but it was nice, and not nickel meaning 500, but I paid a nice price for it. It was worth the monies that was spent for both sets. So now I can run my original vinyl top. Shout out to y'all, man. Glass House Connect or Cadillac Connect, bro. Like, man, you gotta come down on your prices, homie. You know, it is what it is. You know what I mean? I doubt I'd ever buy anything from you, bro, because you just too fucking high. You know what I mean? I remember called you years ago to buy some front bumper guards. Them motherfuckers wasn't even NOS, and you told me like $1,000. I bought some NOS ones for $500. The fuck?